Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to go ahead and start by mapping the entire range that we've been dealing with. Obviously, prices have gone back and traced back into discount, has reacted to this area of demand. This demand on this sell before the buy is somewhat of a strong reaction. So I am going to go ahead and start looking for any type of buying opportunity if it presents itself. It does look like a V-shaped recovery, but it hasn't started taking out any of these highs. So if it does start to take out some of these highs, liquidity sitting over these highs, and I'm looking for any type of buying opportunity if the dollar is indeed not going to get as strong as people are viewing it as. But since it is back down to discount, and if this is the only effort that the buyers could step back in and present and not take out these highs, then I'll be looking for any type of selling opportunity to sell back down to the overall lows of the range. But again, just waiting to see if the dollar index does continue to push higher and get stronger to higher prices, then we'll be looking for any type of selling opportunities. But again, this is in a discount of the overall range. Did tap into this area, man. Possibly could be looking for buying opportunities, but looking for any type of correlation with any fundamental news. GBP USD. Let's go and map out the current overall range. So this is just the overall range. But as you can see, this is the lower high from this high. It caused the breaks in the structure. So this started to retrace back down. Could be viewed as a reaccumulation, as this being the spring, and the buyer step back in. It's like a stronger bullish opportunity in regards to Euro USD. Did start to break structure to the upside, and it is clearly a descending channel with liquidity sitting over these highs. We'll see, just like with Euro USD, these buyers are able to capitalize on this and start taking out these highs. Then I'll be looking for a type of buying opportunity, but again, with any other correlation with the dollar pairs, prices could be ready to shoot back down. This did tap into this area of demand, this sell before the buy, but we're looking for any type of confirmation that this is when the buyers have fully stepped back in. AUD USD. Let's go and map out the current range. Look like any setup. It's been trading sideways. Of course, this looks like the similar charts reacted to this area of support, and buyers stepped back in, started breaking structure to the upside. But these buyers weren't able to take out the highs of this range yet. So we're looking to see if this momentum could continue. If it does, I'll be looking for a type of buying opportunities. But again, looking for any correlation with the dollar index. This could possibly go ahead and retrace back down, since the other dollar pairs have come back down to discount before moving back up. But if the buyers are strong enough, then it will continue. But it doesn't look like any opportunity right now for any buy or sell. Just looking to see if there is momentum to continue. NZD USD. Let's go and map out the current range. And this is the overall range, of course. As prices continue to trade sideways, started breaking structure to the downside, swept liquidity, hit the area of demand, and it's also as strong as Euro USD. AUD USD. As it looks like this could be the spring of the reaccumulation. As long as we see momentum continuing up to the upside, this is liquidity sitting over these highs. As long as we see that, then I'll be looking for a type of buying opportunities. But again, with the dollar getting stronger, could be looking for any type of selling opportunity. I'm not looking for selling opportunity for this pair in particular, but I'm saying that if this is the overall white on spring, then looking for the momentum to continue and trade to the upside. GBP AUD. Let's go map out the current range. And we see this is not the overall range, of course. From back here, we'll still step back in, but the structure has broken to the downside. Of course, in the previous videos, this could have been an area to look for any type of selling opportunities from this channel. Seller started to break down out of it. But they haven't been able to break down past the lows that were already created from this break of structure. So, of course, swing structure bearish fractal structure. Bearish. Well, it's starting to break out bullish on the 4-hour chart, but on the daily still bearish. So now we're looking at any type of selling opportunity. This was the selling opportunity previously, but like again, the sellers weren't able to go ahead and break down past these lows. So we're looking for a decision to be made and which momentum will be pushed to see if prices can retrace back up to the upside and start breaking out highs, or really just looking for the lows. This can break down past these lows, and I'll be looking for a type of selling opportunity once it retraces. GBP NZD. Go map of the current range. And since this hasn't continued to break out, this was the high that broke the lows of the structure. And prices started to retrace back in, taking out the liquidity over this descending wedge. Once sellers stepped back in, they weren't able to break the low, just like with GBP AUD. Now we're trading sideways. Still only looking for sells as the swing structure indicates that price should continue. Obviously, these buyers step back in, weren't able to take out these highs and continue upward into the premium area of this whole overall range. So we're looking for any type of selling opportunities, but it is kind of low. As prices just continue to trade sideways, we're looking for any type of selling opportunity that does get to the the higher part of this range, but looking to see if that does, if buyers do continue to step back in from this point and start taking out these highs, then I'll be waiting for the opportunity to sell at higher prices. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.